Somewhere near the timberline he feeds the fire. This morning slowly turns the sky to gray. Choices made and trails all taken, he's alone. She's with someone else now far away. Up there near the ridge line, the trails all run together and then branch to different canyons over creeks that run so dark. And if you take the wrong trail, you can wander on forever, forever through the mountains of the heart. Had the chance to make the change to turn around, found that he just could not pay the price. She wanted more from life than just two calloused hands, run-down boots and empty cow camp nights. So she packed up all her dishes, all her dreams and hopes and longings, said they'd both be better off if they lived apart. And the memory of her going and the longing for her staying still echo through the mountains of the heart. The mountains of the heart, they're haunted, filled with granite shadows, oh so dark. And the ghosts of things that might have been so lonesome ever wander forever through the mountains of the park. He shrugs it off and saddles up and mounts his horse, circles round the meadow to the tree. All at once the wind kicks up and he hears her voice, a lonesome sound carried on the breeze. He looks back toward the ridge line and the trails he could have taken. She's off hunting happiness, he's out hunting strays. And the voice it swells and calls again, so lonesome through the pines. He shakes his head and slowly rides away. The mountains of the heart, they're haunted, filled with granite shadows deep and stark. And the ghosts of things that might have been so lonesome ever wander forever through the mountains of the heart.